Hello everyone! I'm so excited because today I have an announcement and a special surprise for you. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that Sumner and I are always seeking ways to expand our business, and for the past 2 years, we've been very successful selling products on Etsy. So we've taken all of our knowledge, hacks, and templates and put it into a brand new Udemy course, which is available right now, and you can find the link in the description below. And the surprise that I have for you is that we will be choosing 3 people at random to get full access to the course. We'll be announcing the winners at the end of next week, and all you have to do to be entered for a chance to win is to like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you've already enrolled and you're one of the winners, we'll refund 100% of your purchase back, so there's no need to wait. Lastly, if you're watching this video after the giveaway has ended, I also have a gift for you in the description, which is an exclusive discount code for you to enroll in the course as well. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the course, follow the link in the description to check out the course listing. But I'm also going to be playing the course promo video here, which goes into more detail about what you will be getting when you enroll. So let's play the clip. Hello and welcome to the Etsy Shop Success Masterclass. My name is Ali Hobart, and along with my husband Sumner, we make a full-time income while traveling the world. We're able to do this by selling products online, with Etsy being our second most profitable sales channel, and in this course, I'm gonna teach you how to do the exact same. If you're tired of waking up every day having to go to an unenjoyable, underpaying, and unfulfilling job, and you'd rather take charge of your life by creating your own profitable and passive business, then this course is for you. By the end of this course, you have a step-by-step guide on how to set up and grow your Etsy shop into the job of your dreams, even without any product ideas, skills, or experience. In this course, you're going to learn how to set up your Etsy shop from scratch and build a brand you're proud of. Secrets to effortlessly find and develop successful products to sell even without any creative skills. Etsy SEO, how to transform your listings into machines that will reach your customers and get them to buy while you sleep. You get access to student-exclusive tools and template downloads, as well as step-by-step tutorials and examples for all phases of your Etsy business growth. Simple and profitable Etsy advertising campaigns virtually anyone can implement today. How to set up highly profitable and easy Google and Pinterest advertising campaigns to unleash a tidal wave of traffic and sales, and so much more. Whether you're a complete beginner or if you've already been selling on Etsy for a while, I'm confident that this course will give you all of the tools and knowledge that you need to skyrocket your Etsy shop success and get you the freer and happier life you deserve. Be sure to read some of the raving student reviews for yourself and to preview some of the free content that I've provided to see if this course is for you. And remember, if this course does not deliver results for you, Udemy will refund your entire purchase within 30 days, no questions asked. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. I look forward to sharing my secrets with you inside, so enroll now.